Have you ever dreamed of earning money by inspiring others? What if I told you that with just a laptop and internet, you could start earning $500 a day on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording your voice? What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of creating motivational videos that can help you achieve this goal. And don't miss out on our exclusive tip at the end that could double your engagement. Let's dive into the world of motivational content on YouTube. You've probably seen videos that leave you feeling energized, ready to take on the world, right? That's the power of motivational content. But have you ever thought about the people behind these videos? Not only are they impacting lives, but they're also building a sustainable income through their passion for inspiring others. Today, I'm going to show you how that's possible and how you can be part of this transformative journey. Why motivational content? First things first, let's talk about why motivational content is such a big deal on YouTube. Every day, millions of people search for that push to start their day right, overcome challenges, or find the strength to pursue their dreams. This demand creates a massive opportunity for creators like you. And the best part? You don't need to be a famous motivational speaker or a celebrity. With the right approach, anyone can create content that inspires and motivates. Now you might be wondering, how do these videos make money? Great question. Motivational videos can earn revenue through YouTube's partner program, sponsorships, and even selling merchandise or services. The key is building an engaged audience that trusts and values your content. And with YouTube being the second largest search engine in the world, the potential for monetization is huge. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about making a positive impact on others' lives. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. To give you a bit of inspiration, let's look at a few success stories. Consider the channel Motivation Madness. They started by sharing powerful speeches and motivational clips, growing their audience to over 1 million subscribers. Or Absolute Motivation, a channel that combines thought-provoking narrations with cinematic footage, reaching people worldwide. These channels started just like you, with an idea and a desire to inspire. And look at them now. They're not only motivating millions, but also building a life they're passionate about. Think about what motivates you. What message do you want to share with the world? I encourage you to reflect on this as we move through the process. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And your journey to creating impactful and monetizable motivational content starts right now. By understanding the niche and learning from those who've already succeeded, you're laying the foundation for your own success. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how you can create, optimize, and monetize your motivational content on YouTube. It's going to be an exciting journey, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. All right, let's get into the meat of it, shall we? Creating motivational content might seem like a mountain to climb, but I promise you, it's more like a series of small hills, each one manageable and leading to the peak. I'm here to guide you through each step, making sure you're well equipped to start your journey. Let's break it down. 1. Source video clips. First up, sourcing video clips. You're looking for visuals that evoke emotion and resonate with your message. Head over to platforms like Pexels. Why Pexels, you ask? Because it's a treasure trove of high-quality, royalty-free videos. And the best part? They're free. When selecting clips, think about the emotions you want to convey. A video of a sunrise might symbolize new beginnings, while scenes of nature can evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. Remember, the visuals are not just background, they're a language of their own. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. 2. Source audio clips. Next, let's talk audio. The right piece of music or a powerful speech can make all the difference. Start with the YouTube audio library and the Internet Archive. Both are fantastic resources for finding free music and speeches that can be used commercially. When choosing your audio, consider the tone and pace. Is it uplifting? Does it build up to a crescendo, mirroring the arc of your video? Experiment with different tracks and speeches to find the perfect match for your visuals. 3. Video editing simplified. Now, onto the editing. You might be thinking, but I've never edited a video before. No worries. There are plenty of user-friendly video editing software out there that are perfect for beginners. DaVinci Resolve and Shotcut are two great examples, offering intuitive interfaces and a wealth of tutorials online. Your main tasks will be cutting clips to the right length, overlaying your audio, and ensuring a smooth transition between scenes. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. 4. Optimizing for YouTube. Last but not least, optimizing your video for YouTube. The title and description of your video are crucial. They're like a handshake the first impression viewers get. Use keywords that your audience is searching for. Motivational speech for success or inspirational life advice can be a good start, but make it intriguing. Ask yourself, would I click on this? For descriptions, summarize your video's content and include any relevant links or resources. And don't forget about tags. They help YouTube understand what your video is about. Enjoying the insights? Help us empower more people like you by hitting that like button. It's a simple click for you, but a giant leap for our community. Your support helps us reach and inspire more aspiring digital earners worldwide. Before we wrap up this section, a quick question for you. What's the one thing you're hoping to learn or achieve with your motivational content? Drop your thoughts in the comments. It's always inspiring to hear about the ambitions and motivations driving each other forward. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now. Android and iOS links in the description. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating motivational content that not only inspires but also has the potential to monetize. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.